Okay, we have a very sloppy job hooked up onto this outlet here. See how our ground wires just looped like that? And see how our wires are around the screw backwards? And I'll flip it over here. And our wires are around the screw backwards on one of the wires. So I'll undo all this here. That one was right and this one was wrong. See, they just made a loop for that ground wire. See how they just looped it like that? That was just a loop. That's no good. And I'll flip this around and see how sloppy our black wires are around the brass screw. We'll take these off. So this is what we have for our ground wires in here. Now there's a nice long tail. So we can just flatten this out a little bit here. Okay, we'll twist these together. I wish I had my lineman pliers, but you know what? If you don't have them, you don't have them. But I'm going to twist them together. I got a nice even twist there. And we'll put our ground wire crimp sleeve over the wires. And we will just see that little thing there. That's what goes down into the sleeve, and you get it in that U there. Okay, there it is. Squeeze it down nice and flat. Okay, see how we got a nice... Yep. Okay, good. Okay, yeah, it's going to be a couple minutes until I'm ready to talk to him. Okay, we'll push this back. Okay, so we'll strip our blacks and whites a little bit longer here. So I'll open these loops up and make them a little bit, strip the wires a little longer so we get a better connection here. Okay, we're going to strip these wires a little longer so we get a nice solid connection.
No way. Why you gotta tear up half the board?
Larry?
Why do you say that? Where? What half? I'm curious.
From where you're at? By the way,
Heavy livid. Heavy livid.
my pedals
My pedals are here, so you're good.
and everything?
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll put
It
our.
makes it easier. It's busted.
This is that motherfucker.
Okay, we have
I
our
bought this shit. I
blacks
bought this shit from him. I gave him cash for this shit.
and
We're
our
doing Dave.
replacing an outlet here. How you doing, buddy?
This side, I gotta fix that side.
All right,
What are them tiles you got?
we're gonna
Michael?
make a
Bigger?
nice.
'Cause these are those tiles.
loop.
Yeah.
Okay, white goes on the
Those same ones.
silver screw here.
Same color.
Yeah, about 130 each. I give or take whatever's broken. John already bought them, so.
Dude, what is?
I will say this now. If you guys want to put them in,
No,
you
John,
guys-
I say John bought them already. He wants to pay me to put them in, yeah.
because I'm not supposed to be doing it.
Oh, I know. Yeah, I know.
Right
Still
now,
doing shades, not supposed to.
right now, I was told to pull to get him up because he wants to put one on you down, so that's what I was going to be doing. Sitting on my
Like
ass
Sean?
pulling these up.
It's not gonna be that hard.
No. No, right here.
That's it, it's
No,
hard.
like Sean, that's what I mean.
Yeah.
That stupid shit.
The no, what, the
No.
Make sure it's tight.
yeah, the fucking roll.
Yeah.
You gonna take everything
We'll
out?
put our ground around the green screw here.
That's this gonna take rough. That's good.
That's gonna be, it's gonna be a bitch.
You better make him get a roller. They come with rollers. You grab my shit out of the closet in that room right there to your right.
Are those bolt cutter doors?
Yeah. I bought
Put
them.
our bare wire around the green screw.
I pissed over this. Even the fucking.
That's really fun. Like right now, if
That pissed me off.
There we
they
go.
were to go downstairs and pull the jumper breaker off,
Okay.
that light's still be off. No, it's off my power.
No, it's not a tube wiring. Dave, is that knob and tube wiring?
No, no, there is some. Looks like there's knob and tube for the second floor.
Yes, it is. So what's he doing with all this shit out here on the side? You're fucking, I'll scrap almost all of it.
Right now,
Is it even worth scrapping? Scrap price? I haven't looked at it lately.
Because it's all heavy.
right now he's somewhere around. He walked up that way.
He was walking into 175.
He's mad at me.
Oh, I thought you were talking about John.
No.
Oh, no.
John,
Yeah, there's his.
Oh, you like what? Oh, I lost.
No.
Oh,
They're pissed
Why?
because we got this part of it and they had to get out.
fuck.
Because the code said I would take.
Dude, they were living in the basement.
Look,
Are you
the
fucking
whole time,
kidding me?
Okay, we got our wire around the screw the direction.
They had a bad time in the basement.
Screw
that's
turns.
why they killed the power. That's why they killed the power.
That's when I bought fucking most of this shit off fucking tape.
Like there's a leak.
Yeah.
Actually, it's
Make
not
sure
a leak.
it's tight.
Dude,
And our
I'm still
copper's
thinking-
under the.
Basically, it's
Screw
like
head all the
how
way
tough that
around.
drain in it.
Okay, we'll
Two
hook
of
our
those
final
on the
wire
top.
here. Make our loop the direction.
I have the one
Screw
that's connected
turns.
into my tub. Then there's the second one.
Why?
Don't know.
Is there at least a trap on it? S-trap?
You smoke?
Not no more. I put that shit like months ago.
Can you take that out, please?
Did you get
There
these
we
two?
go.
Yeah.
Close our loop the direction here.
Yeah, he sold me almost all his
Screw
shit.
turns.
Fucking, I was trying to make a deal with him on his fireplace right here. It's a fireplace sitting right up there on the fucking side. I don't know if it's going, I don't know.
Well, it's still there.
But what's he doing with it?
As of right now, as far as I
Tight.
know,
Okay.
I don't
Now
know.
we can fold this back into our box. Make sure our ground wire is
they're
down.
supposed to have supposed to bring the trailer or dumpster over and everything.
No, the whole place is nice. I'm jealous.
Like I want to keep the
This
grills.
whole place is nice.
I want to keep the grills, but I gotta get them out of here.
The bathroom's been
That
full
way
of
they
it.
move.
Okay, so I'm gonna push this ground wire back.
I can't explain. It's like a
Yeah,
cup.
Keep
How
it
big are you?
down.
Being a cripple.
Right here.
How to get in the basement.
I'm not gonna wait on it.
Oh, you did?
Me and him are the ones who fucking help do everything, so I fucking. You know what I mean? You have the basement door screwed shut, fucking boarded up.
Who put the lock on?
I did.
Okay.
Not the dead
Where
ones.
am I hitting?
Okay.
I
was saying, I fixed
wait,
it.
yeah. What the fuck was wrong with it? Why couldn't it lock? I knew that one was fucked up.
It
There's
was
a screw through it.
no, not anymore. What
Oh
happened
no,
is
I did that. I'm saying the dead one.
The green screw is
you
hitting
put the
the
handle up to where it
side of the
covered hole
box.
up there, it pinched it, so it wasn't allowing it to.
Turn.
Yeah.
I was wondering what the fuck I couldn't figure it out.
Then I gotta fix the hinges on it because it dropped, so you gotta lift up on the door.
I got a whole fucking John's got a whole door frame, exterior door frame over in 416 if you want it.
Alrighty, and I'll just finish it with my hand screwdriver here, make sure it's nice and tight. And I'll just make sure my ground wire is down away from
Yeah,
everything.
John already said it. He's like, I got a couple places we can go.
Stick our cover back on.
Down here in this basement, bro, you probably got fucking 26 doors.
Handles.
Oh, yeah, I know.